Be safe out there.
I will. Wait here for me.
Hurry back. Move, move! Gather up! Now! Ah! Quickly, let's go!
Hold it steady. The wind is strong.
Got it. One more hit.
Keep close. Move, move. Stay together. Quickly. Keep it steady. Tighten the rope. I'm tying snow here. Pull yours tighter.
Don't let go. The wind is strong.
I got it. Almost done.
What is it, boy?
Get back. Stay there.
Alright.
You're back. Thank God.
I brought us food.
Thank you. Be careful of the fire. It's strong. Ah, yes. Firm and fresh. This will feed us well. Be careful. The wind is strong.
It's alright, my love. Almost there. The storm is worsening. We must move them under cover. They'll be safer in here.
Keep going. Follow the dog. Don't stop.
Move, animals, move! Do you hear that? Something is out there. Arf, woof.
Move! Now! What do I do? The storm is worsening. We must move them now.
Halt! Just hold on, it's gonna be okay. Hurry, reinforce the stakes. We're losing it. Hold fast. Keep them coming. Almost there. Secure the line. Legs are holding. Keep pushing. Woof, woof. Keep looking. You are strong, my love. Just a little more. Breath. Don't worry, we are here. Just breathe. I'm here. That's it. Hold on. I'll help you. You are strong, my little one. Just a little more. She will protect you. Just rest.
Lila! Lila, where are you? Can you hear me? Help! She just burst it!
It's barely breathing.
Oh no, poor thing. You are strong, little one. The storm will pass. Ba. We are safe here. Ba. Hard. Hold still. There. Safe at last. The storm rages, but here by fire, we find peace. Smells so good. Soon it will be ready to eat. The storm outside is terrible.
Ah, finally. That storm is getting worse. I know. Get closer to the fire. Here, take this. Thank you. Be safe. That's it. Into the light.
Oh, you are safe now, little one. Welcome.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Yes, peaceful now.